How you like me now? How you like me now? Yeah, how you like me now? I'm flossing on you niggas like yo, so I'm a flop. Nah, that's where you guys are wrong. I shit on niggas, that's why I rap with a diaper on. Don't be approaching me with none of your mess, talk about where I belong. Just tell your friends all about me and sit and watch as they minds get blown. Niggas on that basic shit. Now I'ma go ape a bit. I know y'all pray for this, so don't trip. Here's a handkerchief for your razor wrist. My flow got a few ways to switch. Niggas act hard, I'ma change the script. Everybody begging to be a buddy of mine, cause they know I got skills y'all can't prevent. When I lace a hit, you impressive none. You can take it as a lesson, son. If you were smart, you would drop the mic and try to stick up a bank with a weapon drawn. Kill a man was slept upon. That's the reason the West was gone, but I set the bomb. When it blows up, you niggas that know where the heck I'm from. I'm keeping it raw for show. Flow so diabolical. You all should know that it took like 10 whole years just for my balls to grow. No overnight success, I'm struggling just to write this mess. The road to righteousness was more than worth the skill that I possess. I was the nigga all you niggas used to climb. Now when I come around, I got you motherfuckers like, wow. Yeah, how you like me now? I'm flossing on you niggas like, hey yo, how you like me now, motherfucker? How you like, yo? How you like me now, motherfucker? How you like, hey yo? Let me see you clown, motherfucker. Let me see, yeah. How you like me now, motherfucker? How you like,
hey yo? SWIZZ and add another. My swagger makes your girl want to cut like upper. I'm that hot dog, my 16 should come with mustard. If you think I have a big head, then you haven't seen my brother. Back then, niggas swore I wouldn't make it rap and